devious.
Lifestyles of Robotnik only.
Presenting the HDSDDHAZLDSDHLDH.
I built him to destroy all. Where am I? You took 1,000 beans out of my.
Give me 20 minutes to finish painting this fake landscape.
I don't remember programming you to paint.
What?
It's a miracle. It's genius. I'm making you head of the SSSSS squad. Now go paint some more.
Yes, sir, your supremeness.
Can we smash him?
Yes! No.
My dear Sonic, if I
you
wouldn't coming,
the poison.
the cozy hot cup of Lapsang Souchong tea. The only part of my body which is not covered with squishy paste is my beautiful head. Where'd I put those big bags?
You forgot to pull this one!
Stop it! When I want your opinion, I'll have to give myself a slight concussion. Sounder! Crouch! Emergency alert! Something has invaded my pee. Stop it at all sorts!
Right, Dr.
I love being...
カーズは二度と地球へは戻れなかった。鉱物と生物の中間の生命体となり、永遠に宇宙空間を
Hey, come on, Sonic. You can jump further than me. Buddy, when you got it, flaunt it.
Dr. Robotnik, are you there?
Coconuts!
Oh, something's coming! Whoa! Something's big! Yeah, big, really big! Oh no!
Coconuts! Come in, you robotic junk! My crazy cousin Dr. Robotnik is behind this.
So if you live in the track, do the trains a favor. Plant a tree.